this is where we left off.
With trouble with dribbles.
Yeah, not really. Okay, so remember we're trying to make a toString that's prettiful. We've got to prettify this, right? Which I didn't. So is yours prettified?
Yes.
Let's see. Let me shush in.
Mine is.
I shelled out. I'm shushing in.
And will you type the pass? Aw.
Yeah, right? Let's see. What the heck is it anyway?
How do you never know your own pass?
Because I'm always changing it. It's really annoying.
I think the whole purpose of a password. You should make it a fingerprint scanner.
And it's in V3 folder, right?
Yeah.
All right, so there's all our stuff. So I was running it yesterday. Remember how it works? That's it. That's not very exciting. So I want to space this out a little bit, maybe make it look more squarish, maybe label the bottom with the A, B, C, D, E, and H and all that stuff, maybe label the side with the numbers, make it look like a real board.
We should not do an A, B, C, D.
No, why not?
Well, because if we do A, B, C, D, it will require us first determining A, B, C, D. It will require extra lines because we have to say if line 1 print this, if, which is like
Right, which is part of what I want to do here. I want to remind you how to use string,
instead of doing
substring and stuff. Yeah.
instead of doing that, we should do rows numbered 1 through 8 and columns numbered 1 through 8. Because think about it, then we'd ask the user, well,
Well, then we could make it really easy. Just do it 0 through 7, 0 through 7. Just do array elements.
exactly.
We could do that, I guess. Yeah.
Think about it. We're going to ask the user, move from point this to point this, right? If we give them A and 1 and make it the way a chessboard works, we're going to then have to convert it.
Yeah, I know.
Wait,
I was thinking to do that. No.
0 through 7, 0 through 7.
All right, we can make it easy. Yeah. You know what? Maybe we'll make it easy because we got to get to Grid World soon. So, yeah.
And we're assuming the person knows what they're doing. So if they know what they're doing, they should be able to understand.
They should be able to write their own substring. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, let's prettify this a little bit. How about if I space it out a little bit? Not just, let's say, all right, if you space it out, it might look a little more like a square board. Because realize this is a two-dimensional array. It's an 8x8 matrix is what it is. It should look squarish, sort of, right? So let's space it out a little bit. So if it's an empty square, I'll just put an underscore. But how about a space before and after to space things out a little bit more? And then when you put a king or a knight or something, do the same thing. Space, king, space, something like that. Let's see if that looks any better. Save it. All I did was put a little space in front and a little space after the underscore, right? Okay, so let's Java C that. Okay, Java C, chess version 4, Chess960 version 4, and then run it. Well, it's spaced out a little bit. I don't know if it's too squarish. I don't know. Maybe. Okay.
If you do one space, it should be spaced properly.
Just one space in between?
Well, that's what I did.
What if,
I don't know. Mine looks perfectly square. I think you need to tab on the left.
oh, you're tabbing stuff?
Yeah, I tab so that mine seems to work pretty well. I don't know.
You're just tabbing? That's all you're doing?
I literally just put a tab on the left of it. So here's the edge, tab, and then I did everything. It's a bit messy, but I don't know how to get from the left justified. It's just
Yeah. Well, I don't have anything on the left yet.
well, you're going to.
Yeah, I probably. All right, what if I space it out some more? What did I just do? What did I just do? Here it is. What does that do? 2 blank lines in between. Maybe that might be good. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just playing around with it. So Java C it. Java it. Not terrible. That's not terrible. Not quite square, but yeah. All right, I'm going to go with that. All right, so you want to make it a little bit more like a real board? You could label the bottom with A through H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? And the sides 1 through 8. But if we're entering the coordinates of the moves, instead of like E2 to E4, we might do, I don't know, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 4, 3. I mean, we could do that, make it easier to move the pieces around. Because if you enter for moves in E2 to E4, you have to parse that input. You have to make sense of what E2 means in the array. It means 4, 1.
And that's not
right? Or 1, 4 actually, because it's row column. 1, 4 would be here, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 would be here, 1, 4. And then go to from 1, 4 to 3, 4 instead of E2 to E4. Yeah, that's weird. No, 1, 2, 3. That would be 1, 4 to 3, 4 instead of E2 to E4. I mean, if you want to be more like a real chessboard, I guess you could do the letters and stuff, but that's going to take a lot longer.
Is there a way to underline letters in a string?
I don't know if there's a Unicode for that. You can only print out strings that are in the Unicode. Yeah. All right, who's stuck? Here's the code. They're coming around. Hang on. Ding. There's a code so far.
Wait, how do you get it to print out something in Unicode?
You can just cut and paste it from somewhere else.
No.
No?
Mad problems here, dude.
All right, with what? Let's see what he got there. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, this here. See how you have semicolons up there? That same thing here. Semicolons. That'll mess everything up. Yeah.
I'm trying to cut it in the character map.
All right, see what that does for you. That might change a lot of errors. Still something worse. It doesn't like. Yeah, look at before my for loop. I have string temp equals empty string. Right before the first 4, you have a missing line. See it? Yeah, you have to declare it and you have to initialize it. String temp equals empty string. Anyone else stuck? That's probably it. It sounds like it's all temp stuff. Yes. You need all the code for V4? Ugh. All right, who else needs a printout? Anybody else? Yeah? All right, I'm going to just go up here and print it. So many printouts, so little time. Okay. File, print. Let's see, let's print, I don't know. Go. Oh, I thought you said it worked. Wake up, printer. He is a chess champion of the universe. What's wrong with you? It's on my Facebook and everything. Whoa, how many copies did I tell it to do? Oh, there's a blank page, thanks. It's doing 10 million blank pages.
Look, if Ryan holds in one
Who needs it?
he has to prove to me that
No, thank you. My doctor will kill me if the glucose doesn't. All right, what happened now?
I'm lying. 15. What is this doo-doo?
Hey,
What the heck?
watch your mouth.
You know, this is on YouTube. Hey, Java. Is it chest really? Are you serious?
The flower. Yes, I put chess. We went over this already.
Been there, done that. Wait, why are you getting an error? Oh, read line. You don't? Do you have Easy Reader in here? Yeah.
No, I've gotten that same error before, and I don't remember what it is, but it's something weird.
All right, maybe we should read this. Null pointer exception.
I think that means that it can't.
You went beyond the size of the array or something? No. Null pointer exception in what? In the read line? What's your read line?
No, wait. Is it? I think it has to do with the null. Right, go
Well,
back down.
what line? Line 184 in that and 28 in here? 28. It doesn't like the read line. But you have Easy Reader.
So are you doing the wrong number of read lines?
And you Java seed, the Easy Reader is, yeah.
I didn't Java C, did I?
Well, Java seeds everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything with the dot class got Java seed. You Java seed that, and Java seed everything. Ah, la 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 la. What's your choice? Where's your choice? That's it, right? 960 minus 1.
Well, just change choice to 1 right underneath it and just to check.
Just go to 1? Yeah, but I don't think that's the issue.
No. Choice so that you. So that,
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Now we know for a fact that this is going to work.
Right.
So-
But I don't know if that's the problem.
So then we'll know that that's not the problem when it still doesn't run.
Right, that's
So
not the
like,
problem.
it's
Right.
not the problem.
Right.
We know that.
Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, but
I
now-
knew that already.
But as long as you keep that there, you know for a fact that can't be the problem.
Yeah, that's not
as
the
soon
issue,
as you
though.
delete it, you can't be perfectly sure.
Yeah.
So let's look at 184.
184 an Easy Reader? Reader?
No.
That's what it says.
Oh.
Easy Reader.
Ugh. Okay,
Why
let's
is
look
it-
at 184 then.
All right, fine. Off to 184. 184. Okay, that's useful.
Let's delete that line.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Java.lang.null pointer exception in main
Oh.
at easyreader.readline easyreader Java
I
184.
think what happens is that you're trying to set this equal to something here, and I think what happens is that that line can't have that can't be a null.
Yeah, but we're not doing that, are we?
Oh, are we? Let's go up there. It's Alt 1.
Oh, there it
Oh, you use the mouse so much.
is. Does it feel like it?
Cool cursor. Where'd you get the cursor?
You.
You.
I don't see anything bad here. What's missing? Something silly's missing, I bet you.
Yeah.
You got everything, right? I don't see
We
it.
have a toString,
Yeah,
right?
compare it to your stuff.
We have the toString.
Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding.
What?
Oh, silly me. Where's your 960.txt?
Oh,
Yeah, this has to run first.
duh. I did not
What the
think
hell
it
is
had.
that?
That's V3. Did you ever run
idiot.
V3?
No.
Well, it's got to run.
You see how old that is? That's like V2.
Yeah, but it's got to run. It creates the input file for V4.
What the flowers? That's wrong. It's all wrong. Look, it's
Java
so
see it.
old, it's not even gonna work.
How's it not gonna work?
How can I? It was just last week. What are you talking about?
And that would be why.
That
Hello.
class expect. What the hell is this? Line 21 really sucks.
Okay, let's hope.
Line 21.
No, not this one. It's not. Oh,
It
you're
is
right,
this one, yeah.
Sorry.
See? This is look how old this is.
Guess what? How
No,
old this
look,
is? This is last
no,
week.
Okay, you don't know
not
what your
right.
problem is.
Oh my God. Yeah, that would help. Spelling helps too. Yeah. What? All right.
Do that
No.
What
Same
the
thing.
hell?
Same crap.
I told you.
Okay, sir, that was an
Wait.
error right
All
there.
right. Wait. Okay. Now I got to print out V3. Oh.
That was an undocumented error.
Yeah.
I hadn't gotten to that error that I
Oh my God. Anyone else need V3? V3? Everyone's got V3 running except for Dylan. Dylan has it, but Dylan doesn't. All right, let me print a few of these just in case.
Fix V3. Come on.
Here's V3. Everybody needs it. You found it?
He has a force statement with no braces.
That would be bad.
I'm too lazy to fix the indentation.
This from the chess champion of the universe. It has some kind of gravitas. Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. Screw that phrase. Oh,
Okay. Here's what it should have looked like. What happened?
Look at error message.
Where? What? Really? Oh my God. Are you serious?
Wait, I know what it is. I know what it is.
Yeah, so
It's
do
the
we all.
semicolon.
So say we all. Yeah. So say we all. No semicolon at the end of main.
No.
Maybe not. Don't jinx it yet.
Yeah, but.
No
see,
pointer exception, line 5 million. Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay.
Wait, that
Well,
didn't
that's
work.
well. sort of, maybe.
No, there's no way
Yeah,
that
it's
works.
backslash here. Backslash.
Wait, no, that isn't, sir, that isn't the,
By the way, did you need V3?
sir.
Here's
Remember how I
V3.
said everything that runs super fast is wrong on V3?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this thing is wrong.
And here's V4, by the way, just in case. You got V4 already? That's V3 and that's V4. Okay. Oh, you got it already. Oh, yeah, I got you.
Now it'll run, and now your incorrect version. See, and now his incorrect 960 has been created.
Yeah, it's incorrect. It's fast.
It runs, watch it run it again, watch.
Run it again. Running again. Initiating running procedures. Yes.
It's already done.
Yeah. Okay.
You didn't realize that that's,
It
it doesn't matter.
okay.
Before
Right.
it'll run
Right
now.
now. Well. Well.
No, because you need
Java
to,
C it.
you need to go, no, Java CV4.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, I thought you were going to keep going
Can't
up.
hang if I went like this.
Yeah, that's the problem. We can't see what we're doing now. That's great.
If I went a little higher, turn it sideways.
It's still broken.
What have you done?
I'm done.
Okay, see ya. See ya, the AP only wants your 4350. In fact, better yet, I'll take the 4350.
Now it still doesn't like it.
Well, just
Oh,
it's like a 960.
wait, hang on. Did he call it 960? Where the frack is it?
What the hell did
Where
you
is it?
do?
Where this is V3 we want, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
Where's his? He's missing stuff. V3. He must be missing two file. Two file list.
What is it?
Yo, Dylan, where'd you go? Where's Mello?
Who cares?
Oh God, he vaporized. We obliterated him. Oh God. Anyone else need to print out for V3 or V4? Yeah. You need help? Okay, hang on. All right. Wait. You're missing code. You're missing code. Look at the sheet I printed out. File list.
For these two.
You're missing an entire
Online for these
Yeah, you don't need three semicolons. Just those two. Get rid of that one. Yeah, you don't need that. And you didn't do that here, did you? No. Okay. Yeah?
put in file list foo. He doesn't have a foo.
I know. That's the thing. He's missing file list.
No, it's not that he's missing file list. He's missing the whole idea of foo. There's no foo.
Right. There's no foo. Right. Yeah, I get that.
There's no foo being created in the first
I get that.
place.
I know. Wait. What? Hello. Here's V4. Is that really what it looks like? Look at this line. Yeah, but it's not void. It's string. It's returning a string. Right? Yeah. All right. That looks. Well, you don't need two strings. Now you got two strings. Where the heck? Where'd you get two strings from? It's not no void. Okay, good. That should do it. Okay, try that. What now? Wait, why is it still saying?
That's a different line.
Well, this is a problem because it's two-dimensional. You don't have two dimensions over here. Line 18?
Yeah.
You need square brackets again, open, close. Well, next to it, yeah. Space it after, yeah, like that. All right, try that. Aha, all right, run it. All right, so far so good. Okay, so, hey, no killing people during this period. Wait until next period. Yeah, so wait, you can do it later. Okay, what happened? Yeah, we had the same problem with Dylan, or Dylan, sorry, Dylan. Yeah, the problem is you don't have a 960.txt file, do you? You do? Well, why is it saying it's not there? This basically means it's not there. Maybe not. Let me see what else you got in here. Bing. You're missing something silly. Right. Ooh, right. That's the problem. There's no such file. That is. Like it's like you were missing the file. So, oops, get over here. Wait. What? Java C. Java. Okay, it's not pretty, but there you go. Jess, you're ringing. You want V3? Yes. V3 page 1. V3 page 2. And don't worry about page 3, it's blank. That's basically it for now. Yep. What the hell is this? Yo, Dan. Yeah, you can't sell stuff in here if it's gonna be on the, gonna end up on the floor. Yeah, no. Who's this? Look, he's gonna step on it over here. Okay. Okay, guys. I know you guys are fundraising and stuff. That's great. But if it ends up on the floor messing up my room, it's not happening. Okay, so.
Who bought the Skittles?
Yes. This is, you're on V4, okay. Yeah, so far so good, yeah. Yeah, which one do you need? This is V3 or V4? What the heck? That's V2. Well, we really don't need don't worry about V2. We just need V3 and V4. You don't need it. V3 has V2 in it, so, yeah. V3 has V2 in it, V2 has V1 in it. So if you have V3, you got everything. So we need V3, which is 2 pages, and V4, yes. Yeah, I'm going to be collecting V3 and V4 real soon. In fact, some of you printed out V3 already, right? Yeah, okay. Huh? You're on 5? What do you mean 5? V5? How the heck is it V5? What? Whatever. V3 and V5 for you. Whatever, it could be called V5. As long as it's two different programs, V3 and V5, whatever. That's fine. That's the latest one, right? No, not yet. We're not done. All right. Focus. Shh. Yes. What happened?
I forget what to do when I
Well, a lot of people are getting this problem. What's missing is, did you ever run V3? See, we have V3 and V4 in one folder. Yeah. Because if we go to V4, do you have a V4? Where's your V3? We need this for input on V4. V3 creates this, and V4 reads it. So that's why we put V4 in the same folder. So maybe we should go back to this folder. Let's go to V4, and all we really need is this one file. Copy. Go put it in V3. V3. You have Easy Reader and Easy Writer in here, so that's all you need otherwise. Paste. Now when you Java C it, go to V3 instead. So CD, space, // no, well, okay, then CD, space, Chess960V4b. And enter. Now you can probably do what you wanted. Let's do the Java C of that. And let's do the Java of that. And that's it. Good. Perfect. Okay. So far, so good. All right. So does everyone have the not pseudo pretty output? Yes. Okay. Now let's make it even more nice. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to add coordinates to this thing. Now remember when we played the game, right? And the boards had letters on the bottom and numbers on the side, right? Well, let's make it easy. We're going to put numbers on the bottom and numbers on the side. Let's make sure that the user knows what the coordinates of our array are. It's going to be sort of a weird board, yeah, or it's going to be really a weird board. Okay. So I don't want the output to look like this. I want it to look a little more like on the bottom, it's going to say what coordinates to plug in for each column.
0 through 7 and
Right, and on the side, what coordinates to plug in for row. Technically, it should be A through H and 1 through 8, but let's make it easy so that we're just doing coordinates in the array, right? So it's 0 through 7 for each row and 0 through 7 for each column. So we're just going to label stuff. We're not changing what's in the 2x2 matrix. We're just changing how the toString prints it out, right? So we're still just dolling up the output. Okay, so doll it up. Here we go. What I need to do in my dolling it up, prettifying it. Okay? So what I want to do is
typeset mode.
at the bottom I want to add some coordinates like, how about temp? Wait, is it there that I want it? No. After the whole board is done, right? So here. All right, so I want to add at the very bottom the coordinates for each row. Well, actually, for each column, okay? So how about we do temp plus equals quote, some kind of divider. How big does it have to be? 3 by 8 at least? All right, how about 24? 1, 2, 3, no. Let's put equal signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, this is going to be like a little border on the bottom of the, like the edge of the board, sort of, right? It's going to be, it's just a bunch of equal signs. What it is, it's going to be a border at the bottom of your board to separate the pieces from the coordinates. And I'm thinking if this is 3 characters wide, and I have 8 squares, that's 24 characters, right? So this is 24 symbols right here. Pick whatever symbol you feel like. I'm using equal signs. And then under that, I'm going to label the coordinates. Temp.
Where are you getting 3 from?
I made it 3 wide here. I have a space, underscore space, right? Okay, so if you put quote, let's see, how about in the middle? Space 1, space, space 2. Is that in the middle of that? Space, space? No, I'm starting at 0, right? 0, space, space 1, space, space 2, space, space 3, space, space 4, space, space 5. This is like setting up a print line, right? And 7. Does that line up nice? I think so. Oh, and don't forget your semicolons here and your semicolon here. All right, let's save that and see if that gives you a nice border to the board at the bottom. Then we got to figure out the board of the vertical board border. Wait, can't say that 3 times fast. All right, so
Equal signs, but underscores work better.
really, okay.
Well, I like the underscores for the top, but there's an upper score that I found on the Unicode.
Yeah.
I can't get it
Oh,
to work.
that's interesting. There's got to be a way to do that. Now, what did I do wrong? Look at my output. That's not what I wanted, did I? What do I want? What's wrong with it?
Line.
I have to move the numbers to the next line. How do you move to the next line? Backslash n. How about here? Before you print the numbers.
Put it anywhere, really.
All right, so clear. Java see it. Java it. All right, so there it is. So this labels every column, the 0 column, the 1 column, the 2. Now I want to do something on the side, the vertical side. I want something similar on the side, labeling 0 through 7 on the side.
Oh, you're going to use a double upper bar, aren't you?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, no, I don't know. Well, maybe. All right, so the thing is, before each line gets printed, I have to label it, right? So where does each line get started? When does each line start? Where would I put like a little vertical bar or something to put the edge of the board for vertically? Where would you put that? Like I added this at the bottom. Where would you put like a little vertical line? At the beginning of each row. How does that work? Where would it go? Where would you add it? Well, I'm thinking if row equals 0 stays 0 throughout the entire C loop, that's one row, right? So before I start a row, let me label it right there. All right, so temp plus equals, let's say a vertical line or something. Okay? Now what does that do? That puts a little vertical line in front of each row. Is that right? Let's test that, make sure we put it in the right place. Right? I'm just adding that before each line. This writes one whole row. Right? So I'm putting that before each row. That's just like see the backslash key? It's a shift backslash twice. Okay? All right, save that, see how that helps.
This will actually look a lot nicer doing it this way.
Okay.
I mean, unless there was an upper score, but I can't get it.
All right, so there you go. But aside from that, now it messed up this, didn't it? So I have to put that in front of this stuff too, don't I? So this is, well, so it lines up. I want the 0 to line up under this column.
Space it.
I can space it, or I put vertical bars there. All right, space it, okay. But it's off by how many spaces?
Figure it out.
Looks like 2, right? Yeah. Well, it's going to be more than 2 eventually when we put the coordinates in, but...
Yeah, you might not want to fix it until after you put everything in on the lefts.
All right, so let's put the coordinates in. All right, good. All right, that's good. Now, I wanted to put the coordinate here, but remember, the first line that gets written is number 7.
Wait, really?
Yeah, the top. It's going to be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, right?
Oh, that didn't.
So if I simply put in the row here, like R plus that, is that going to do it? Let's see. R is the number, right? From 0 to 7, right? But is that what we want? Let's try that. See what's wrong with this? 0 through 7 backwards. Is that what you want? You want 0 on the bottom. How do you make it print out the 7 on the top and the 0 on the bottom? Count down. How do you do it backwards? Right, that's the question. If R goes from 0 to 7, what would go from 7 to 0?
7 minus.
7 minus R? Okay, let's do that. 7 minus R. Save that. Right in front of the double vertical line. Okay, so 7 minus R, when R is 0, that would be 7. When R is 1, that'll be 6. When R is 2, that'll be 5. That sounds good. Okay, let's do that. Clear it. Java C it. Java it. How much you want to bet they're going to have some kind of a free response question about toStrings where they're going to have you prettify stuff? I'm not doing this for fun. Well, actually I am, but not just for fun. All right. So that's good, unless you want to space this out a little bit. I don't know. But this is off now by 3 spaces on the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, so that's good enough. Just space it out. Here we go. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, so 3 spaces here.
Alt-tab.
Okay, good. All right, so I put 3 extra spaces here because all of this junk takes up 3 more spaces on every line. So this wasn't lining up nice. So put 3 blank spaces here, you're good. Save that. And Java C it and everything. Clear it. Java C
You
it.
have a problem now.
What?
You have a border on your left side. You have no border on the right and no border on the
Oh, you want him to do that too?
Come on. Come on. Here, I have my chessboard. I have a board on the left side of my board. I have a board on the bottom of my board. But the other side, forget it. I was too lazy to finish it. It's down all the pieces.
All right, we're out of time, so let's save it at that point, and we'll prettify some more tomorrow. Now remember, it's not just the prettifying. We have to do a knit board to populate the board with the random pieces, and then we have to do a move to actually play the game. All right, so that's coming.
I should write move, shouldn't I?
Maybe. All right, I think we're done, so.
I don't know, you just kind of need it to.
All right, bye-bye, YouTube.